Moana, a young and adventurous girl from the Pacific Islands, stood at the shores of her island village. Her heart was full of determination and curiosity. For generations, her family had been stewards of the ocean. Yet, legends of a fearsome fire monster lurking beyond the horizon were whispered among the elders. Moana's heart pounded with excitement and perhaps a hint of fear as she decided to face the fire monster, finding her destiny. With the ocean as her ally, Moana felt empowered. The waters seemed to listen to her call and guide her gently. The ocean was not just a vast body surrounding her island, it was a guardian and friend. Moana embarked on her quest with confidence, paddling her canoe bravely beyond the safe confines of her village. Accompanying Moana was her big friend, Maui, a demigod with a mischievous streak and a magical fishhook capable of fantastic feats. Maui's boisterous nature was sometimes infuriating to Moana, but his heart was as loyal as the crashing waves that led her way. Together, they were a formidable duo. As they approached the island where the fire monster was said to dwell, the air grew dense with heat and smoky mist. The ocean's impossibly blue waves turned to boiling crimson seams of water, hinting at the fiery depths beneath. Moana and Maui were getting closer. Upon landing, Moana's heart beat faster than ever before. The fire monster, known as Te Kā, roared mightily, its lava body glowing vehemently against the dark volcanic cliffs. Moana hesitated but remembered the ocean's unwavering faith in her and Maui's trusty guidance. With courage that could spark 1,000 adventures, Moana stepped forward. She realized that Te Kā was not just a beast of flames, but a guardian of something deeply significant, something tied to her ancestors. Maui supported her with his magical fishhook, and together they faced what lay ahead. Moana uncovered an interesting detail. The fire monster was not their antagonist, but rather a misunderstood guardian. The heart of Te Kā, once lost, was key to restoring balance. With understanding and compassion, Moana offered the heart back, transforming Te Kā back to its harmonious form, Te Whiti. The fire receded, and the island bloomed with life once more. Moana returned to her village, not just as a daughter of the ocean, but as a liberator who bridged misunderstandings with courage. Her journey with Maui, the ocean, and the truth about Te Kā would forever remain with her and inspire generations to embrace the unknown with bravery and kindness.